Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Aaron Page, and today I want to tell you about a DSCR loan. What a DSCR loan is an investor loan. The DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio, and it cares about one thing and one thing only, and that's does the property cash flow. DSCR loans were originally built to be a commercial loan. However, they've made their way into the residential realm lately, and they've become very popular with investors. And the reason for it, there's not a lot of paperwork involved with them. These loans are specific to just investment properties. You can't use this for a primary residence or a secondary home. It has to purely be a rental. There's no income documentation or verification at all in any way. And you provide assets just showing that you have enough for down payment on a purchase or reserves on the property as well. Outside of that, we do an appraisal, and the appraisal includes a rent schedule, or it's called a 1007 technically. And on that 1007, it will say the market rents for this property are X amount of dollars. For the sake of our example here, let's just say the rents are $3,000. What this loan program cares about is, do you have a 1-to-1 ratio? Meaning if it rents for $3,000 and your mortgage payment or proposed mortgage payment is $3,000 or less, you have a 1-to-1 or a 1+to-1 ratio, meaning the property cash flows and it's good to go. You close the loan. They're probably one of the most simple loan programs out there, and you typically can pull these off in about 2 weeks if you have an appraiser that can get the report back to you quickly. The minimum down payment on these loans are 15%, but the interest rate at 15% is pretty brutal. It's not that it can't be done, but the extra 5% when you get to the 20% mark is a massive shift in interest rate, which is way more appealing to most buyers and investors. Now, the next piece to touch on with a DSCR loan is they can not only be for single families, they can be duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, and even commercial style real estate. A lot of the lenders I work with will go all the way up to 29 units. I'm not sure how they decided on 29 as being the cutoff, but most of the lenders will allow for small to medium-sized apartment complexes as long as they're not 30 units or more. You hit a different tier, I guess, and that doesn't qualify for a DSCR loan anymore at that point. A side note to that, 1 to 4 unit minimum down payment is 15%, but 5 to 29 units, no matter what, is 20% down in that scenario. But if you've never heard of a DSCR loan and you're a property investor or you're looking to get into property investing, a DSCR loan is the way to go. If you're self-employed and you write off a lot, but you still want to utilize an investment property loan, a DSCR loan is the way to go. If you guys have any questions or need any additional clarity on any of these items, please feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact info is below in the description. It's all over my profile. It's on every social media handle at Your Next Lender. You can find me, contact me, write me a letter in the mail, fax me, whatever you want to do. If you have questions, I'm happy to help answer them. Thank you guys for watching today. We'll see you on the next one.